Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with a new quality, new energy and a new project. Today we have IBVM with a live echo. We're gonna discover all the details related to this massive project that I truly believe is about to check in the entire crypto space. So today we're gonna be talking about this project that isn't just another crypto or random token. We are talking about a Bitcoin a layer 2 that's already building a massive momentum before launch. If you've been waiting for the next big move in the crypto, this may just be it. So don't miss out to watch this video until the end. We're gonna share something valuable with you and let's get into it.
Audio Jungle.
So before going further, this is the landing page, this is the website. Here we have all the details related to this project in this user-friendly interface full of informations. But before, let's go here to the bottom of this page and check out the hype on this project. So let's check out, they have all the socials, Twitter account, we have Telegram, Instagram, and all the other socials. So first of all, let's check out the announcement of their official TGA, which is live. We're gonna discover also the TGA or the echo page where you can buy the tokens in this video. As you can see, I recommend you guys to follow them and join this massive community with over 90,000 followers, which is huge. So give them a follow here, active the bell, and try to be updated about all their movements and next steps. Here as you can see, TG is just gone live and you can grab some tokens. Here we have the announcement. Stay updated with following them. They have a huge community as you can see, and also their Telegram group with over 80,000 members and more than 1,000 online. That's a big deal, guys. Let's come back here to the homepage to make a quick review of this interface. IBVM, International Bitcoin Virtual Machine. Here we have the contract address, and as you can see, you can check out the quill audits. It's fully audited by quill. You can check out the GitHub report with full of informations related to their smart contract audit. I recommend you guys to read the wall to get an informations about the safety and transparency of the project. As you can see, they have only two informational and a zero critical, zero high, zero medium, zero low. So this is very important, guys, to check before getting to anything. And here we have the World Future Award. So as you can see, this is the award page. So here you can check out more about the IBVM background. Also another thing why I really like this project. First of all, it's backed with $20 million in funding from Rollman. That's mean that isn't just another quick pump and dump idea. There is a serious institutional money here. Second thing, the team behind the project is the world's fourth ranked blockchain development company. These are the same people who built Shiba Inu and other top tier projects. So let's come back to our official website. Here you can buy some tokens and I'm gonna show you in this video how you can do this. And here we have some products from their ecosystem. First of all, we have the wallet. You can download their wallet, fully decentralized wallet now. So you can see, you can find the links here, whether on Play Store or Apple Store. Here you can get the app with the good reviews and more than 50k downloads. That's super huge, guys. And here we have the decentralized iScrew, trust, redefined, protect your large trades. So they have also an iScrew So you can secure trades, as you can see, crypto transactions with decentralized trust. So this is another product that's really catch my attention. You can discover the full details from this page, which is super amazing and helpful. EVM swap seamlessly exchange your digital assets over 1,500 across 60 plus blockchains. So it's super easy to use and seamless. As you can see here, it's very accessible and you can use transact easily. That's the main point. Best crypto swap for you. And here you can check out all the details about the swap. You can also connect your wallets or enter the app here, as you can see. So you can use all these peers, over 1,500 peers available for swap, which is super amazing. Also, they have a build and dApp, which is an experience IBVM advantage. Bring your vision to life. You can check out the docs and IBVM chain as well from this section. So this is not just another crypto project, it's a very solid project with great utilities. And here when you scroll down, we have the IBVM advantage. So it's a next generation layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin. And this is very important, guys. We have plenty of solutions that this project comes to solve. The IBVM chain scales Bitcoin via ZK rollups, which is very fast in terms of speed with the lowest fees in terms of transactions. So this is something very, very attractive. You can check out all the details. Also, they ready to use solution like decentralized iScrew. They have also decentralized lending through BTC rollups, also cross-chain swaps and interoperability between blockchains. So it's very accessible. You can use your swaps easily and without any complications. You can also join the IBVM's Elite Ambassadors program. You can apply from here and be one of their ambassadors. Also here you can check out more details about the project. You can join their community. They have eligibility process. You can follow them on Twitter, also Telegram, refer and earn. They have a refer program. You can share it with your friends, invite them to this massive project, get some commission. For sure, this is not financial advice. As I told you, these videos is just for entertainment and the educational purposes. Always do your before getting into anything. So now you can check out also their partners. They have a big wheels in the space. You can discover also the IBVM protocol revolutionizing layer 2. They have scalability, speed, eco-friendly, low fees, EVM compatibility, which is super amazing. Now we can go directly here. You can discover also the testnet bridge, faucets, iScrew, swap, wallets. But now let's go to their Presale page. So here we have the most important thing in this video, which is their Presale, how you can participate. First of all, how to participate is super easy. You can connect your IBVM wallet or MetaMask. If integrated, you can use their own wallets or you can use a MetaMask wallet. After that, you can enter the amount of tokens that you want to purchase, and finally you can confirm and complete the payments via USDT, BTC or BTC. So you can start purchasing from here. You can discover more of their partners and why IBVM. As you can see, it's a 77% discounted price before the listing. Bitcoin Layer 2 builds for real world adoption, wallet MVP, live testnet ready, and go and ecosystem partners on board. So let's go over here and click start purchasing. They have a video at explain how you can buy. Let's go here. So here they explain on how you can buy or grab some tokens, which is super easy. I'm gonna explain how you can do this in this section, as you can see. So first of all, guys, let's connect the wallet. All you need to do, click connect wallet. Then you can go here, connect EVM, EBVM wallet, then click MetaMask. you can click try again, or this page you can click connect, and you can also, let me share the full screen, you can click approve here. And as you can see, the wallet, as you can see, it's fully connected. So now you can go here to Web3 wallet. So let's zoom in this page, and here you can select the token that you want to buy with. You can choose any token based on your favoration. So they are all working. You can choose here the amount that you want to buy. For example, here you can put the amount of BNB, 1 BNB, 2 BNBs, wherever you want. So this is your balance into your wallet. So you can put here the amounts, you can choose another coin. As I told you, it's very flexible. You can also use all wallets from here. So this is how it works. For example, let's choose BNB, 1 BNB, and this is the amount of tokens that you can get from this transaction. As you can see, as I told you, 77% off. The lesson will be with $0.60. You can also enter the IBVM chain receipt address. Here, as you can see, you can put it here. Also, you can enter a referral code over here, which is optional. As you can see, 2.5% IBVM bonus for you. I will put mine down below in the description. And also you can click buy. So for sure here I have inefficient balance. So we will see here buy now, and you can grab the tokens. As you can see, this is the stats. The current progress is 18.03%. As you can see, reaching $3.6 million over $20 million. Here we have all the details available. The tokens available is 20 million IBVM. The soft cap is 5 million. Hard cap is 20 million. The Genesis round start date, as you can see, just started today. So the eco is live. The minimum buy is $10. And how to buy, as I told you, connect wallets, enter referral link, which is optional, and confirm the purchase here. So if you have a sufficient balance, you can click confirm the purchase and you are in, which is super easy, guys. So this is basically how it works and how you can grab the tokens. So here also you can connect other wallets to work with. So this is the end, guys. Hope you like this video. So don't forget to check out the white paper, IBVM scan, about us ecosystem, airdrop as well. They have a plenty of things to discover. I won't make a long video for you guys, so you can go and check all the details by yourself. Finally, don't forget to follow them on their Twitter account. You will find all the links down below in the description, so you can stay updated about their next tips and all the informations, all the important things about the projects. So this is the end. Make sure again that this is not financial advice. Always do your. See you guys in next videos. Peace out.